the sun decided to hit Finland. Wow, look at that. It's the first time in like 7 years. I think we are good to go. Hi everybody. Today I thought I wanted to do... So today's video is going to be a bit more vloggy, I guess, because I'm actually recording music right now and that's going to be out soon, if that still interests you. Anyway, so what I thought I'd do today, since How to Be Finnish has seriously gained a lot of views, I think it's at like 134,000 or something, I mean bizarre. And yesterday I hit 200,000 total views, which was like, yeah, I can't even describe it. So, what I thought I'd do today is I am going to dive into the comments section of How to Be Finnish and read some of my favorite comments from there. Okay. I've lost a subscriber.
Everybody, my name's Sasha.
Hi.
I'm an Australian sounding Swedish.
Fuck that shit. Okay, let's dive into the comments section. Yeah, one of my favorite things is when people start discussing me in the comments. Like, there are so many comments in here saying, is this guy from Finland? Yes, sadly, I am from Finland. And and then when someone responds with a no, he's from America or he's from Spain or what the f— oh my god, you guys are awesome. You forgot the sauna. That's actually kind of true. I did forget the sauna. I thought I'd include that, but I guess it was that I was kind of nervous about the feedback already, so I just thought I'd narrow it down to the most essential parts. I don't know. I can't explain it. Maybe I'll make a How to Be Finnish part 2 where I will include the sauna. Step 1, commit suicide. Ain't gonna happen. Does everybody listen to heavy metal in Finland? Yes. No, by no means. Actually, I feel like that stereotype has gone down a bit, because I'm like the only guy in our, like, I can't speak today. Yeah, I feel like the heavy metal stereotype is kind of old because I think I'm like the only one from my like squad who even listens to heavy metal like a lot. Then there are a lot of people who really are offended by this video. I hope people don't take that too seriously because, I mean, it's a parody. Does everybody love alcohol in Finland? No, that's really a stereotype. That's not true. I love how you people have like done your own steps. I love reading these. Some of these are really good, like How to Be Finnish. Step 1 by Jalovina from Alko. Go to the bar and be a dick to everybody. True, true. Go to your car and start to drive and drive in Linta. Step 4, wake up with hangover. Step 9, be as silent, uncomfortable, cynical as you can be. If somebody greets you, then just grunt at them. Also step 10, drink more coffee. You guys are more creative than me. Classic. I'm going to say this in Finnish and I'll translate it for you. Jeesus rakastaa kaikkia paitsi suomenruotsalaisia. Itse asiassa mä voin kertoa sulle, se johtuu siitä, kato, kun sä tiedät sen tarinan, kun Jeesus teki muutamasta kalasta niinku ruokaa tuhansille ihmisille. Niin sit kun tuli suomenruotsalaisten vuoro, niin Jeesus tarjosi sitä kalaa, mutta me haluttiin vaan rapuja. Ja sit Jeesus otti vähän itteensä, niin sen takia se oikein tykkää meistä. Ei mut ihan oikeesti, eiks toi suomenruotsalaisvihajuttu ole jo vähän vanha? Siis, joo, ehkä me ollaan... En mä tiedä mitä me ollaan, niinku... Suomalaisia perkele mekin ollaan. Yeah, what the hell, I'll go over to some other videos as well. Miten sun hiukset aina on noin hyvin? Kiitos. Focus, 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 focus. Fokusoi saatana. And seriously, I'm so glad that a lot of you have liked especially my Bon Jovi impression, because as you know, Bon Jovi is one of my absolute favorite bands. Yeah, it's just really awesome to read these comments on the impression video, and I can tell you so much that I am actually working on a lot bigger impression video, where I don't want to say too much, but I sort of want to do impressions from all around the world, you know, and from different countries, because that would be combining the languages and the music. So yeah, I'm seriously so glad you like it. Apparently a lot of you also get ready for parties in the same way as I do, and that's awesome that I'm not the only one Who does this? High five to all the procrastinators out there. Fucking gay. Gay, gay, gay. Vitun homo. Gay, 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 gay. Vitun homo equals fucking gay. That's a comment. And last but definitely not least, the one comment that made me smile the most was, where is it? Is this comment. Marcus Butler, Sebster, less than 3. Wow, seriously. Marcus Butler is one of my all-time favorite YouTubers, and yeah, that just made me so happy. Okay guys, it was awesome talking to you. I'll be back next week with some music, I hope. And yeah, I'm seriously gonna enjoy the sun so much as of now. Hopefully the mic didn't pick up too much of the wind. And yeah, don't get this as a Q&A, because this was not a Q&A, this was just me looking at the comments. But I'm getting closer and closer to 5,000 subscribers. And for the 5,000 subscriber video, I thought I'd do like a longer Q&A. But I'll do that when the time is appropriate. But yeah, as always, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Hi.